I know many of you are not really interested in this trading type stuff, and most of you have joined me on my journey for photography and Instagram as well. But I'm quite enjoying doing the trading on the stock market. I really like looking at how things are going and sort of trying to understand how the market works. And I thought I'd quickly do a video just to give you an update on things, mainly because at the moment, the stock markets, not only in the UK, but around the world, are having a really tough time and things are going down, down, down. And that's had a huge impact on my trading account. And I wanted to really share that although you might know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody that does really well on the stock market, the truth is only 10% of all people that make trades actually are successful and make money. And most people don't. So as a point, if you decide to invest in the stock market, you would be at risk of losing your money. So just wanted to get that out there now. And that's the whole point of this video, because my account right now has taken a huge nosedive from where it was a week ago. And generally, the stock markets around the world and the financial things that are happening aren't particularly good. There's a couple of really big things that are happening in the world, well, in the US in particular. The bond yields have gone right up because there's so much uncertainty about interest rates, where the markets think that interest rates are going to remain high for quite some time, and that's causing a lot of uncertainty in the market. And of course, then you've got all the challenge around the local services in the US. I don't really understand it, but that is also having an effect on things as well. And it's not only affecting the United States, but it's also sort of having a ripple effect around the world. I think generally, the UK is doing all right. We've had a few good bits of information that have come out recently to say that the UK's economy is better than it was expected to be. And obviously, despite the fact that this isn't environmentally a very good news, the UK are now opening another oil field, or they're extracting more oil, which isn't great for the planet, but for the numbers, the financial stock market in the UK, it's good news. So what I'm going to quickly do now, I'm not going to take a long time. I'm going to jump onto my account and I'm going to really just sort of go through where I am, because I want to be transparent. I want to show you that you don't always make money on the stock market. Let's have a look. So if I have a look at my the account now, and I'm going to jump into this chart, because I think this is good. So I've got most of my stocks, most of my shares are all in the UK, but I do have PayPal. I do about £10 worth of PayPal. And as you can see from this part here, since the whole of the year, PayPal has gone negative. It's not made any profit whatsoever in the last year. And in the last week or in the last day, it's down, down, down. Imperial Brands, which is a major industrial company in the UK, that's equally down, down, down. It's got 14% in the whole year. It's not going well. NatWest Bank, who I had lots of hopes for, that's equally gone down. It's not so much. It's only in a year it's 3%, but obviously in the last week and the last month it's down, 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 which is not good. And National Grid, who's the most recent one I bought, is the only one that's bucked the trend. So in the last year, and that's why it's gone up 1.6, but that's mainly because of today. It's gone up 1.7 today. So, but generally it's down. And I just wanted to point that out, that the stock market isn't always going up. It isn't always positive, and trading individual shares is not easy. If you want to make money on the stock market, the best and the only really good way of doing it, in my mind, or for me at least, is to invest in a fund, invest in a unit trust or a fund, and then you stay in the stock market for a long time. Just a quick recap then, just so you know, just so I can give you the full picture. My account is now set at £227. Whereas in the last couple of videos, it was well in the 230. So my net wealth continues to go down. I'm not afraid of that. It's not a big problem for me, because that 27 means that I'm upwards 27. I'm ahead of the game. So I've got enough scope to lose 27 more pounds. But I don't want to do that. Of course, I want it to go up, 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 up. That's it really. I have to start being as transparent. Just give you a quick update on where I am this week. And that's it really. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this finance content, you can always subscribe. That would be great. But give us a like anyway. Just show me that you've enjoyed this video. A like would be wonderful. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Cheerio.